Japan has been hit by the worst earthquake in its 140-year recorded history. Of course, Japan is no stranger to earthquakes. In fact, 20% of all the earthquakes around the globe over the measure of 6 on a Richter scale happen in Japan. But this one has taken the experts by surprise for the reason of the location of this earthquake. It happened in a zone where there is no straight fault line. It's all zigzagged. And that's not where your typical high scale earthquakes happen. This one happens to be one of the top 10 that has ever occurred in the world. It was 8.9 on the Richter scale. What it has spawned is a tsunami that's heading across the Pacific. And tsunamis are no laughing matter. They move at a very high speed. In fact, this one is moving at the rate of 900 kilometers an hour, the average speed of an airplane, a passenger airplane. So when will it get to the other end of the Pacific? Well, the first thing it will do is hit Hawaii, and then it will move on all the way to the west coast of the United States, and then Mexico, Central America, South America, all the way down to Chile. Just because Chile will be hit at a later point in time, that doesn't mean that Chile will actually have lower waves. In fact, the models of NOAA shows that the waves in Chile are going to be higher than that of Mexico, even though Chile is much further out. And the reason is that uh, the direction of the Chilean coast is sort of in a straight line from the origin of the earthquake. This has alarmed some of the reinsurance companies because they are the ones who typically take on the impact of large scale earthquakes. We have to wait and see what they eventually say.